Good morning students, welcome to your science class. Class 4, subject science, chapter number 4, animal adaptations. Introduction. Animals can be found everywhere, in the soil, above the soil, on the trees, in the busy cities, deserts, etc. They move from one place to another in search of food, breed and raise their babies. Observe the animals shown in the picture. Animals can be classified based on body structure, eating habits, and where they live. Body structure. Invertebrates, animals without a backbone. Vertebrates, animals with a backbone. Mammals, giraffe, horse, sheep, dog, etc. Reptiles, turtle, lizard, snake, crocodile, etc. Birds, owl, dove, parrot, ostrich, sparrow, etc. Fish, swordfish, ayu-fish, blue tang, basa fish, etc. Amphibians, frog, toad, salamander, caecilian, newest, etc. Observe the pictures shown in the screen. Eating habits. Based on eating habits. Herbivorous, plant eaters. Carnivorous, meat eaters. Omnivorous, eat both plants and meat. Scavengers, eat remains of dead animals. Parasites, derive nutrients from other organisms. Note, many animals have feathers which helps to protect them from their predators. Predators have feathers that help them to find their prey. We humans are active in all seasons. Some animals become inactive in harsh winter or severe summer conditions. Sleeping habits. Estivation. A few animals go to sleep during the hot, dry summer months. This summer food, dead sleep, known as estivation. They find cool, shady and moist places, especially during the day, and come out to find food during nights which are cooler. Example, bees, earthworms, snail, frog, toads, crocodiles, etc. Hibernating animals. The animals which sleep through winters and winter sleep is known as hibernation. Example, bats, squirrel, mice and bears, etc. Some birds fly several hundred kilometers to find food and to escape harsh winter. This is known as migration. Example: Arctic tern, harrier, starling, cranes, etc. Where they live: terrestrial, living on land. Examples: lion, giraffe, elephant, ostrich, panda, hippopotamus. Aquatic, living in water. Examples: fishes, octopus, whales, seal, dolphin. Amphibians, live on land and water both. Example: toad, tree frog, common muddy puppy, slanders, rough-skinned newest, desert rain frog. Arboreal, live on trees. Example: lizards, monkeys, sloths, parrot, cats, squirrel. Observe the pictures displayed on the screen. Thank you for watching today's video. Have a nice day ahead.